Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert here at the EGO headquarters with Barnaby, Director of Excitement. And you're excited about this because for the first time, you've developed here at EGO a traditional lawn tractor.
Yeah, one need only keep an eye on the landscape to see what people are using to cut their lawns. And you see a lot of tractors out there, and so this is for those folks, because as with all things EGO, if you want a lawn tractor, this is going to be the best one you can buy.
Talk to me about the power, because you've got the same amount of power with battery technology as some of the traditional gas ones out there.
Yeah, 21 horsepower gas equivalent, working off of what we call peak power technology. So it's got six 6-amp-hour batteries under the hood right there, all working together to make sure that this is the most powerful machine possible.
The zero turn, very popular with you guys, but you mentioned the fact that a lot of people like this traditional look and the feel of this. You're going to feel that same thing when you're behind the wheel sitting in it. 42-inch cut, accessories available, and how much acreage can I cut with this?
Okay, so it's 1.5 acres on a single charge, 3.5-hour recharge time if you want to plug it in and do them all at the same time. Or, as with all tools EGO, every EGO battery fits and runs every EGO tool, so you can hot swap and add batteries that are depleted and continue on in your journey. As far as accessories go, you can get a sunshade, you can get a basket for the back, there will be a bagger coming, you can get a mulch plug as well. But I mean, it's a really, really powerful machine, 21 horsepower gas equivalent.
Now, I know design is important and how it all looks, but what's this little green line here on the steering wheel?
Kind of make sure you're going straight, right? So this is your sight line. You know, when you sometimes get behind the wheel of something, it's like, where am I? Do I have to turn it this way or this way? So this is just kind of a cue for you. Obviously, you'd be following the line of the lawn.
Right.
But you know what's great about this too, Lou, is the lack of maintenance, because it's got brushless motors for both the blades. It's got brushless motors for the back wheels. And so there is no maintenance on this, no pulleys, no belts, no anything to do.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, you can learn more and shop for this right now at acehardware.com. Thanks so much.
No problem.